If you've been looking for a solid password manager, let me just say, NordPass is one of the top picks out there in terms of its design, usability, and how secure it can be. So let's get started, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. To get started with NordPass, the first step is creating an account. If you're already a user, you can skip this step, but for those who are new, here's how to begin. Visit NordPass's official website and locate the Sign Up or Create Account button. When you click it, you'll be presented with options for different plans, and there's even a free version available for those who just want to try it out. There's no need to opt for the premium options right away, especially if you're simply exploring the service. After selecting your preferred plan, you'll be prompted to choose the browser you're using, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once you've selected your browser, NordPass will take you to the extension download page for that specific browser. From there, click Add Extension and confirm the installation. In just a few moments, the extension will be added to your browser, and you're all set. And once it's done, you can open the application to begin the setup. The first thing you'll need to do is provide your email address to create an account. From there, you'll be prompted to choose a strong password, one that includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This is key for keeping your account secure. A quick tip: make sure your password is unique and not something you've used before. Reusing passwords is risky. Consider writing down your password in a secure location just in case you forget it. After this step, you'll also create a master password for your NordPass account. This is an essential security measure, as the master password grants you access to your entire vault. Make sure this password is incredibly strong and memorable, as it's the primary safeguard to protect all your sensitive information. Treat it like the most important key to your digital world. Once you've successfully created your account and set up your master password, you'll be taken to the NordPass main dashboard. This is where you'll start to explore the app's full potential. You'll find several categories like all items, secure notes, credit cards, and personal information. These are the designated areas where you can securely store all your passwords, important notes, financial information, and any other sensitive data you need to keep safe. Each category helps keep everything neatly organized, so you always know where to find what you're looking for. In addition to these categories, you'll notice a trash folder. This is where deleted items go, in case you change your mind later. If you're someone who likes to stay organized, NordPass makes it easy to create folders for specific types of information. For example, if you want to separate work-related passwords from your personal accounts, you can create a dedicated folder for work. Or if you manage several social media accounts, you can organize those passwords into their own folder for easy access. Under the Settings tab, you'll find various options to manage your account. This is where you can log out, upgrade to a paid plan for extra features, or even change your master password. Another important feature here is the recovery code. This code is essential if you ever lose access to your master password. It's a backup that ensures you won't get locked out of your account. So, make sure to keep that code in a safe place. This will give you peace of mind, knowing you have an extra layer of security. Now let's dive into the core feature of NordPass, adding passwords. To begin, simply click on the Add Password button. This will open up a set of fields where you can enter important details such as the title of the account, your email, username, the actual password, and the website or service that the login information belongs to. This makes it easy to store everything in one place without having to remember all the login details. To keep things neat, NordPass allows you to organize your passwords into specific folders. This feature is especially useful if you have a large number of logins. For example, you could create separate folders for work-related accounts, social media profiles, or even online shopping sites. By sorting your passwords this way, you'll always know exactly where to look when you need to access something. Once you've entered all the information, simply click Save, and your password is securely stored. Congratulations, you've just added your first password. But the fun doesn't stop there. NordPass also lets you store other sensitive information like credit card details, secure notes, and personal information, making it a versatile tool for all your digital security needs. You can edit, update, or delete stored passwords at any time, giving you full control over your data. Additionally, if you're using multiple devices, NordPass will sync your stored information across them, so you'll always have your passwords available whenever you need them. This way, you'll never have to worry about losing track of your logins again. One of the standout features of NordPass is its browser extension, which makes accessing and managing your passwords even easier. With the extension installed, you no longer need to open the app every time you need to log into a website. The extension allows you to autofill login credentials directly from your browser, saving you time and ensuring you never have to type out a password again. The next time you visit a website where you need to log in, the extension will automatically recognize any saved credentials for that site. It will offer to fill in your username and password for you, so all you have to do is click Login. No more manually entering passwords. This feature is incredibly convenient, especially if you have multiple logins for different sites. With the NordPass extension, you can streamline your daily browsing experience, keeping everything secure while eliminating the hassle of remembering or typing passwords each time you log in. It also syncs across all devices, so whether you're on your desktop, laptop, or mobile device, your passwords are always ready when you need them. Next, let's explore Secure Notes, a handy feature that allows you to store sensitive or important information you don't want to forget. This could be anything from your Wi-Fi passwords, alarm codes for your office, or even personal details like an anniversary or a special reminder. To get started, simply click on the Secure Notes section in NordPass. Once there, you can easily add a new note by entering a title, such as Wi-Fi password, and then typing in the relevant details, like the actual password or any other pertinent information. Just like with passwords, you can organize your secure notes into folders, making it easy to sort through your various entries. For example, you could create a folder for work-related notes, one for personal reminders, or even a folder dedicated to important security details like backup codes or emergency contact information. This organizational system ensures you can quickly find the information you need without sifting through everything. These secure notes are encrypted just like your passwords, meaning they are stored with the same level of security and privacy. You can add as many notes as you like, and since NordPass syncs across devices, you'll always have access to them, whether you're on your computer, phone, or tablet. It's a great way to keep all your important details secure and in one easily accessible place. If you often store your credit card information online, NordPass has a dedicated section to keep it safe. You can securely save all your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and the security code, CVV. This feature allows you to access your credit card information without the need to retrieve your physical card. The best part? When you're shopping online, NordPass can autofill your card details directly into the payment fields with just a click. This eliminates the hassle of manually entering long card numbers and ensures a smoother, faster checkout process, especially for frequent online shoppers. In addition to credit card information, NordPass offers a personal information section for storing other sensitive data such as your home address, phone number, and various email addresses. This is incredibly useful when filling out forms online, as many websites require you to input your contact information repeatedly. Instead of typing it out each time, NordPass will automatically populate these fields for you, saving time and reducing the risk of making errors. Whether you're signing up for a new service, making a purchase, or updating your contact info on a website, NordPass ensures that your personal details are securely stored and easily accessible. By securely saving and auto-filling these types of information, NordPass simplifies your online experience while keeping your sensitive data protected. With everything from credit card details to personal contact info stored in one encrypted vault, you'll always have your important information at hand, but without the worry of exposing it to the wrong people. Whether it's for convenience or security, NordPass streamlines your online activities. If you ever need to share passwords or other sensitive information with someone else, whether it's a partner, a colleague, or even a family member, NordPass makes it simple and secure. When using NordPass to share your login details, you can rest assured that everything is encrypted and protected. This ensures that only the person you intend to share with can access the information, keeping it safe from any unauthorized parties. Sharing sensitive details through traditional methods, like sending them over email or text, can expose them to security risks. But with NordPass, you can securely send passwords, account information, or other private data with just a few clicks. The person you're sharing with will be notified, and they'll need to authenticate their identity before accessing the information, adding an extra layer of protection. Whether it's a shared account password, a document with sensitive details, or an emergency code, this feature makes collaboration and sharing easier without compromising on security. Plus, since everything is stored in NordPass, there's no need to worry about losing track of shared information. It stays organized and easily accessible. Whenever you need to get rid of something, NordPass makes it easy to send it straight to the trash. Whether it's an old password, note, or personal information, you can simply drag it into the trash, and it will be temporarily removed from your main vault. But don't panic if you accidentally delete something important. Everything that's been tossed into the trash folder can still be recovered. Just head over to the trash section, and you can restore any items that you might have removed by mistake. Once you're certain that you no longer need any of the items in your trash, you can permanently delete them. NordPass gives you the option to clear out the trash entirely, ensuring that your vault stays neat and organized. This is especially helpful if you're trying to keep your account clutter-free or if you're cleaning up old, outdated information. The ability to easily recover deleted items before they're permanently gone gives you peace of mind, knowing that nothing is lost for good unless you decide it's time to let it go. The trash function helps you manage your data without fear of making irreversible mistakes, making it both user-friendly and secure. There are a couple of useful tools inside NordPass that you should definitely take advantage of, especially for extra security. First up, the password generator. If you ever need a strong, random password for any of your accounts, you can use this to generate one that's secure and tough to crack. Another tool is the password health feature, which will check your passwords to see if any of them are weak or if they've been involved in a data breach. This is a big one because you want to make sure all your passwords are up to par. If one's compromised, NordPass will let you know and recommend changing it. In the settings, you can also enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, to add another layer of security to your account. This means that, in addition to your master password, you'll need a second code, usually sent to your phone or email, to log in. It's like double locking your vault. You can also set up the app to auto-lock after a period of inactivity, which adds another layer of security in case you forget to log out. Imagine you've been using another password manager, but you've decided to switch to NordPass. No problem. You can easily transfer all your saved passwords from your previous platform into NordPass with just a few simple steps. The import process is straightforward, so you won't have to manually enter each password again. Whether you're moving from a browser's built-in password manager or another third-party app, NordPass offers seamless import options that make the transition smooth and hassle-free. And it works both ways. If you ever need to move your data out of NordPass, you can export your saved passwords as well. Whether you're switching to a new service or just backing up your information, exporting your data ensures you can access it outside of the app. This flexibility is great for managing your information across different platforms, or ensuring you have a backup of your passwords in case you need them in a different format. With both import and export features, NordPass allows you to easily switch from other managers or create backups, giving you full control over your password management.